What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am really sorry. You guys have probably noticed I haven't really been that active on this channel recently. That's because I've been, if you guys have been, keeping up with some of my social media accounts, I've been co-running / co-owning Buckshot TV with James, which I have a fun video planned for today, but it just doesn't really fit, the theme of that channel. So I've decided that I will come back onto this channel and do this video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Today's video is sponsored by Nova Shine Smile. They reached out to me, I want to say about a week ago, and asked if they could send me a kit. And so here we are right now. So big shout out to them for sending me this. Make sure to check them out, Nova Shine Smile. I'm so excited to open this up, so let's get right into it. But before we do anything, please hit that like and subscribe button, and subscribe to James and I's other channel, Buckshot TV, and check out my Instagram and TikTok, The PC Mermaid. Now, let's do this. Okay, so while I'm focusing on opening this, something actually pretty funny that James mentioned to me was when I told him that this teeth whitening kit was getting sent to me, he was like, really? They're sending it to the girl with no teeth? So, kind of ironic, but I got a little thank you note. Thank you, Nova Shine Smile. Okay, so here's the box for it. So, Nova Shine is a professional teeth whitening company. For their teeth whitening, I believe it's a gel and light mouthpiece that works together to whiten your teeth. I didn't do a ton of research beforehand because I wanted to kind of go through this with you guys so you guys could see my personal first impression and experience with it. So I didn't do a ton of research behind it, but I'm really excited to try it out. So we're gonna go through all of the directions together, and yeah, we're gonna see if it works. So I'm really excited. Let's get into it. So the first step is before whitening, it says to rinse your mouth or gently brush your teeth, and so I just brushed my teeth off camera. So we're going to go to step 2, which is I'm going to apply the whitening gel to the upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece. Oh, that's pretty. This is pretty, if that makes sense. Okay. Oh, you get little pictures. Oh, this is awesome. I work really well with pictures. Oh, okay, so they're like separate packages. Okay, so this is my whitening gel. Oh, I'm like nervous. What if I get this wrong? So the whitening gels come like pre-prepared for you, so don't worry. You don't have to make a mess, guys. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we have a teeth shade guide. And so we're supposed to record our starting shade and our finishing shade to track our progress. So these are kind of what the colors look like. Okay, so I took my before picture and I decided that I am a 5. So I'm going to put that for my starting shade. Yee! Okay, let's gel this baby. I pulled the mouthpiece out of the box. Here's what it looks like. And what's cool is you get like a converter cable. So look, it plugs to iPhone, Samsung, USB, so really you can use this with any device you want. I think that's really cool. You also get a little bag for your mouthpiece. So it says, apply whitening gel to the upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece. Do not place gel on the part you bite on. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Making sure it is about 1 millimeter thick. You can also apply the whitening gel to your teeth directly using a swab. I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm just going to do it. Let me see where I bite. I'm thinking really hard. I think I might just place it on my... No, I'm just gonna go for it. Screw it. Okay, so I'm gonna read forward ahead in the steps so you guys can see what I'm doing because I'm gonna have a mouthpiece in. So after I put the gel on the mouthpiece, I'm supposed to connect the mouthpiece to a USB attachment. So I'm guessing I'm gonna connect this to my phone. And right after I connect it, I should see the mouthpiece light up. Relax for 10 minutes to see maximum results. You can use the light for up to 30 minutes. 10 minutes for maximum results? I guess I'll just go for 10 to 15 minutes. And that time, I'll be doing my honors math homework because I'm not finished. So I'm a little nervous, but I'm really excited because I've struggled with non-white teeth. let's do this. I need to stop pushing this off. Okay, so I'm gonna set a timer for 15 minutes. We're gonna aim for that. Oh wait, why did I just start it? I'm smart. I'm gonna have that ready to set, and then I'm gonna plug this into my little converter. That'll plug into my phone, but we're gonna wait to do that. Oh, whoop, that's how it works. Okay, it's like a little syringy thingy. Syringy thingy. Which one goes in the top? I kinda wanna place it on my teeth. No, I'm thinking too much. I don't know how much is a millimeter. This seems really complicated because I have really large hands. How did it say I do this? I'm gonna go get a swab. I think I'd be smarter. I don't exactly know how much a millimeter is, but it says you can use a swab. I'm gonna do the swab just because I don't trust myself and I feel like I'll get it on the part where I'm supposed to bite because I'm special like that. Yeah, I just don't trust myself, so. We're gonna do this instead. I'm just gonna go for it. You know what? The hair is going back. This is a problem. It needs to get out of the way. I think I just have such a weirdly shaped mouth. I think my fear would be that the whitening gel would not touch my teeth because I have such a small mouth that inhales food really quickly. So I'm just gonna do it right onto my teeth. We doing it. It smells really good. I see a little bit actually. I'm actually seeing a lot more white on kind of like my back molars now, whereas I didn't see that before, so that's really cool. They definitely are whiter. For my first try, I don't think I put enough gel on, so I know that now for the next time I do it because I will definitely be using this now that I know that there is results from it. Like they're noticeably whiter. I ended up doing it for about, I think, like a little over 15 minutes because the timer went off and I was still doing my homework, so it was a little bit over. Yeah, definitely. I think I'm gonna use more gel next time. But even with the little amount of gel I had, I've still seen, significant results to what I'm normally used to. So looking back to what I started with, a 5, yeah, I say it bumped down to a 4. So they are definitely whiter. That's really exciting, especially with, just a little amount of gel too. This is Tara approved. This works, and I will definitely be using it in the future. I'm actually really excited to use it more in the future. Yeah, overall, I am actually really impressed by this because I have not very white teeth, so seeing something that'll work, this is exciting. I'm really excited. And it actually says too, for faster results, you can whiten multiple times a day, as long as no sensitivity occurs. So I might do it again. You know what? I'll actually probably do it tomorrow, but that's so cool. Okay, so this is Tara approved. And just because, this video is like sponsored, I wouldn't put anything out there that I don't personally think would work for you guys. If it didn't, I would state that because I love you all so much and I wouldn't put you guys through that. So this is Tara approved. If you guys want whiter teeth, I highly suggest this. And as I do it more, I'm gonna keep taking pictures as I go. So yeah, I'm not gonna do my before and after pictures yet because I want to keep using this, and then I'll probably post them on social media like my Instagram, the PC Mermaid. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope that, you got something out of it, and now if you're wanting to try it, you know what to do. Just wanted to thank again Nova Shine Smile for sending me this kit. I was really actually impressed by the results that I got, and I cannot wait to keep using it. I'm going to try to be more active on this account. This will definitely be where more of the reviews are, maybe some cheers stuff, and vlogs, just things that might not, fit with the theme of James's account. So I'm excited to be more active on here. If you guys want to keep up with my stuff regularly, my most active account that I'm on right now is TikTok, which is the PC Mermaid. But after that would be my Instagram, which is the PC Mermaid. They're the same username, so it's kind of easy to remember. But I will link them down in the description below. Also, make sure to follow Nova Shine Smile on Instagram. I will link them down below. And I will also put a link to James's and I's other YouTube channel, Buckshot TV. I will be doing a ton of fun events and trips coming up here in April, May, and just as summer hits in general. So a lot of those pictures will be posted on my Instagram, so if you want to see those, you know where to go. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited I was able to do this. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. I'll try to respond to as many as I can. You guys are awesome. I love you all so much. And stay tuned because I might be putting out merchandise soon. We will see depending on who I do the merchandise through. So I never know how to end off videos. So bye!